Okay, yep, so hello everyone, Nuzu here, and in this video I'm gonna play a Rubik Cube again. A cube, yeah, again. But this time we will try to solve it differently. So yep. Sekarang ni kita akan buat checkerboard pattern like this when we solve. So it will be scrambled. And I'm sorry because of my camera is to zoom in, right? Agak terlalu dekat. It's too close to here, right? So as you can see here, this is scrambled, and we will start doing this now. Maybe wait. I will take my other phone to set a timer. Okay, this is my other phone, and yep, let's start. Okay, so this is the timer started. So yep, I will just move this away. Okay, so what we want to do first is just to make a cross, but differently, like this. We have to do this using yellow edge, and just do like the checkerboard pattern. Why is it so hard for me to just explain it? Okay, so after we do this, we just do like this. We have to move it away, so it will be like this. And what we're going to do next is just to insert this piece in this corner like this, and yeah, we'll do this. We'll do the same thing at all sides like this, and this. Okay, so the first layers have done. Okay, we have done the first layer, and we will move on to the second one. This might be a short video. So we have to face this screen to the blue color like this, and this one is red, so we will start with orange, and just do the F2L move, and we will insert it here. This one is already correct, in the correct spot, so it's fine. We will just do this all of the edge. Wait, it's done. Oh no, it's not. It's flip. Okay, so we have done the second layer, first layer, and this layer. Yeah, so we only have to do the last layer. So I will teach you some. Okay, so as you can see here, we use the yellow and white face, right? We use the yellow and white color for our main color, so we'll just focus it on that color. Okay, so as you can see at the surface right now, there is 3 color, means L, and 1 color, 2 color, 3 yellow, 4, 5 yellow. So that's mean this is like this, and okay. So if you don't know this thing, I will show it right now. Okay, so it's simply like this, just like this. Okay, so yeah, almost the same. Okay, it's like this, only this piece have to be swapped, has been flipped. Okay, so we just need to do this move, and Wait, did I did it wrong? It's all flip. Okay. Weird. Why is it flip? What? It's a edge flip? How? 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 How do I solve this? Okay. It took me for a while to just solve this thing. So we have the fish one, fish. As you can see here, this is fish, and this is the yellow one. Okay, just use that algorithm, and as you can see here, this already solved. This one is not, this is not, and this is not. Okay, so what we want to do is just face it like I told you. I already make a tutorial how to solve a Rubik's cube, so yeah. It's not that hard. I will show this thing right now. This is simple. I will just show you a simple way how to solve it. Okay, it's really easy, and maybe a skip, I guess. Okay, simply it's just almost like this, but it's like this. Oh yeah, I mean like this. Okay, so it's full, and this one is like this, has two things right, and this one is not, and only one right. Okay, so yeah, it's really simple, and we have solved. We just skip the OLL, I guess. So face only one solve at you, and just do this thing. I already told you about that, and we have solved it using the checkerboard pattern. It's easy because I already do this for a while. I already do this for well, I've done this a lot of times, so that's mean I already practicing it. That it's easy. So yeah, I already show you the tutorial, and oh, I forget to stop the timer, and it's 6 minutes. Okay, not long, but yeah, this video only 10 minutes. So I will not cut too much in this video, so you can enjoy this long video. Haha. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. We have done it. It's really easy. The checkerboard pattern like this. It's easy. Just do the same thing. The same thing. What am I saying? What am I saying? It's really easy. Okay, it's solved. So if you want to do this challenge too, you can just watch this video, and I already show you how to do it, and I hope you understand. If you don't, then just leave your drop your question in the comment section down below. So yep, you can comment down below if you want me to do any sort of challenges. You can challenge me anything, and maybe I will do it. So yep, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.